Welcome to Prime Motivation. If you're here, it means you're ready to unlock the secrets to cultivating a mindset that drives success and achievement. Today's video is all about building a winner's mindset in 10 steps. Whether you're striving for career excellence, personal growth, or any form of achievement, this video is packed with practical strategies to help you harness your inner strength and overcome any obstacles that come your way. Stick with us to discover how you can transform your approach to challenges and turn your goals into reality. Let's dive in. To build a winner's mindset, the first and crucial step is to define your vision. This is about setting a clear and compelling picture of what you want to achieve. Think of your vision as a lighthouse guiding you through the fog of everyday life. Without it, you might drift aimlessly. Start by asking yourself, what does success look like to me? What are the long-term goals that ignite my passion? Imagine vividly what it feels like to achieve these goals. Close your eyes and see yourself living that reality. The more detailed your vision, the more real it becomes. This mental imagery will help you stay motivated and focused. Create a vision board with images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals. Place it somewhere you can see daily to keep your aspirations top of mind. Your vision should be specific and detailed. Instead of a vague goal like be successful, define what success means to you personally. Is it becoming a top leader in your field, starting your own business, or achieving a personal milestone? The more specific you are, the easier it will be to plan the steps needed to reach it. Break your vision down into smaller, actionable steps. For instance, if your vision is to write a book, your steps might include outlining your chapters, writing a certain number of words each day, and setting deadlines for revisions. Each small step brings you closer to your larger goal and makes the process less overwhelming. Regularly review and adjust your vision as needed. As you progress and grow, your goals may evolve. It's important to remain flexible and update your vision to reflect any new interests or ambitions. This adaptability ensures that your mindset remains aligned with your true passions and keeps you motivated. A growth mindset is fundamental for building a winner's mentality. This concept, popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, revolves around the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embracing this mindset means seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Start by identifying any limiting beliefs you hold about yourself. Do you believe you're not good enough, or that certain skills are beyond your reach? Challenge these thoughts by replacing them with affirmations that reinforce your capacity for growth. For example, instead of saying, "I'm not good at public speaking," tell yourself, "I'm improving my public speaking skills every day." Don't shy away from criticism. Instead, view it as a chance to learn and improve. When you receive feedback, approach it with an open mind and a willingness to adapt. This attitude will help you refine your skills and enhance your performance. Celebrate your efforts and progress along the way. A growth mindset values hard work and perseverance over just the end results. By acknowledging and rewarding your efforts, you reinforce the positive behaviors that lead to growth. Remember that each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Surround yourself with individuals who have a growth mindset. Engage with mentors, colleagues, or friends who are also committed to self-improvement and learning. Their support and perspectives will inspire and motivate you to maintain your own growth mindset. Cultivate a habit of lifelong learning. Continuously seek out new knowledge and skills that can help you achieve your goals. By staying curious and committed to learning, you foster a mindset that thrives on challenges and embraces continuous improvement. Resilience is the cornerstone of a winning mindset. It's about the ability to bounce back from setbacks and maintain your focus despite difficulties. Developing resilience involves building mental and emotional strength to navigate through life's challenges and keep moving forward towards your goals. Start by reframing how you perceive challenges. Rather than seeing them as barriers, view them as opportunities to grow and learn. For instance, if you face a setback in your career, consider it a chance to reevaluate your strategies and make necessary adjustments. This shift in perspective will help you stay positive and proactive. Build a strong support network. Surround yourself with friends, family, or mentors who can offer encouragement and practical advice during tough times. Their support can provide a fresh perspective, boost your morale, and help you find effective solutions to your challenges. Practice self-care to enhance your resilience. Engage in activities that reduce stress and promote well-being, such as regular exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies. Taking care of your physical and mental health ensures you have the strength and energy to face and overcome obstacles. Reflect on past challenges and how you successfully navigated them. Acknowledge the strategies that helped you overcome difficulties and apply these lessons to current challenges. This reflection not only reinforces your confidence, but also helps you approach new obstacles with a resilient mindset. Stay adaptable and open to change. Recognize that life is unpredictable and plans may need to be adjusted. Embracing flexibility allows you to respond to challenges effectively and keeps you focused on your long-term goals. Even when faced with unexpected hurdles, discipline and consistency are vital for maintaining a winner's mindset. Building these qualities involve creating and adhering to routines that support your goals and foster continuous improvement. It's about making daily choices that align with your long-term vision. Start by establishing daily habits that contribute to your success. Identify specific actions that will help you progress towards your goals and incorporate them into your daily routine. Consistent effort, even in small doses, accumulates over time and drives meaningful progress. Set clear, achievable goals for yourself. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks and create a plan to tackle them. This approach helps you stay focused and motivated as you can track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Develop a structured schedule to manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. Avoid procrastination by setting specific deadlines for each task and holding yourself accountable. This disciplined approach ensures that you stay on track and make steady progress. Overcome distractions and stay focused on your goals. Identify potential distractions and develop strategies to minimize or eliminate them. Techniques like time blocking, using productivity tools, and setting boundaries can help you maintain discipline and stay focused on your objectives. Regularly review and adjust your routines as needed. Assess your progress and identify areas for improvement. Flexibility in your approach allows you to refine your strategies and stay consistent with your efforts, ensuring that you remain aligned with your goals. You've reached the end of our video on Build a Winner's Mindset in 10 Steps. We hope these strategies have provided you with valuable insights into developing a winning mentality that drives success and personal growth. Remember, building a winner's mindset involves clarity of vision, embracing a growth mindset, developing resilience, and cultivating discipline and consistency. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Prime Motivation for more content that will empower and uplift you. Keep believing in your potential and stay dedicated to your journey of success. Every step you take brings you closer to realizing your dreams and achieving greatness. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.